Gonzalo. I've been sailing since I was 8 years old. I started in the Optimist and I'm from Santander in Spain.
And I'm Pablo. I am also from Santander and I started sailing when I was 8 years old.
I met Pablo 6 years ago with my previous boat. I was sailing with some guys from Santander and one day one of the guys said, I'm going to bring a young guy who really likes these boats. And he came over and since then he's always been part of our team, and I've sailed with him ever since. The only time I've sailed in the US is actually it was in 1997. I did a transatlantic race that left New York to England.
It's my first time here in the US.
I think that racing into New York is going to be one of the highlights of this race. I think everyone's going to really enjoy that part of it. Although I know it's complicated because of the traffic and it's not going to be very straightforward. Yeah, I would say also the Gulf Stream. I think that's another interesting part of the race. Actually, the other day we had to cross it to come from. We were coming from the West Indies, from Antigua, and we had to go through it with the wind against the current, and actually it was very rough. We had heard it was rough, but the sea was really steep and really all over the place. It was quite exciting.
In this area, weather forecast changes every day, so it's difficult to know what we will have on Saturday. But looks like there is a low pressure coming from the south.
Lows that build in that area in the south, in the Bahamas, they have to be watched very carefully because they can become something very nasty. At this time of the year, it starts to become it can become a problem.
I think the boat is ready. We are ready. We have sailed lots of miles together and lots of miles on board. We can wait for Saturday.